Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest beauty innovations. Have you ever wondered if a single product can transform your skincare routine overnight? Well, today we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to do just that. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Anti-Aging Overnight Recovery Face Cream Plus Mask. It's designed for all skin types, offering hydration, wrinkle reduction, and overall skin rejuvenation, all while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on honest reviews like this one. Let's break it down. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair is a dual-purpose product. It acts as both a recovery face cream and a mask, formulated with powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides. The 1.7-ounce jar is compact but loaded with hydrating properties aimed at repairing fine lines and wrinkles and helping to restore your skin's youthful appearance. Now, the real question is, does it live up to the hype? When I first incorporated this product into my evening routine, I was curious but a little skeptical. As someone who's tested countless skincare products, I've learned that overnight transformations are rare, but a good product can still leave an impression. First, let's talk about texture. The consistency is rich and smooth, almost like a luxurious balm, but it absorbs into the skin surprisingly quickly. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, which is something I always look for in an overnight product. I applied it before bed and woke up the next morning to noticeably softer skin. The texture of my skin felt more plump, and there was a definite reduction in the appearance of fine lines around my eyes and mouth. While this isn't an instant fix, the results are subtle yet effective over time. It's like my skin had a little overnight recovery session. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to hydrate deeply. The hyaluronic acid helps pull moisture into the skin, while peptides work on repairing and firming. This combination feels like a mini spa treatment in a jar. However, I did notice that if I over-applied, my skin felt a bit too hydrated, leaving it slightly tacky. But when used as recommended, just a thin layer, this wasn't a problem. As for the pros, I'd say the hydrating power of this cream is definitely its strength. It does a great job of visibly reducing fine lines and restoring elasticity to the skin over time. The packaging is also simple yet elegant, and the jar feels solid without being overly heavy. On the flip side, the only con I found is that the product might be a bit too hydrating for those with oily skin. If you're on the oilier side, you might prefer using it just as a mask, once or twice a week, rather than every night. When it comes to value for money, it's a little more on the premium side. But when you consider the quality of the ingredients and the effectiveness of the formula, it feels worth the investment, especially for those serious about anti-aging skincare. There are cheaper alternatives out there, but many lack the clinical-grade ingredients that Clinique offers. If you're curious about similar products, you might want to check out other anti-aging creams or masks from high-end brands like Lancome or Estee Lauder, though they may not offer the same targeted peptide blend for skin recovery. But Clinique's formula does stand out for its dual functionality as both a night cream and mask. Clinique has built a solid reputation for high-quality, dermatologist-developed products, and in my experience, customer support is responsive and helpful when needed. I haven't had any issues with this product, but Clinique's customer service is known to be easy to reach and helpful in case of concerns. If you're wondering how this product will stand the test of time, I'd say it's a solid choice for long-term use. It doesn't promise immediate miracles, but with consistent use, you will notice smoother, firmer skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. To wrap it up, Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Anti-Aging Overnight Recovery Face Cream Plus Mask definitely delivers on its promises of hydration and wrinkle reduction. If you're looking for an effective overnight treatment that works while you sleep, this is a solid choice. It's best suited for those with normal to dry skin who want to combat early signs of aging and those who need a little extra hydration and repair. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.